welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look, then go ahead and keep on watching. And if you guys want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, make sure that you hit that bell button, turn your post notifications on, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, and then comment down below if you are located in the United States to be automatically entered. To prime my eyes, I used my Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer, and I used a lighter shade because I am using it as a base, so I used the shade Cotton Candy, and I just applied it all over my eyelid as a primer, and then I blended it out with a damp beauty sponge, and then I went ahead and set everything with some translucent powder. The palette that I went in with is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Collection Volume 3. And this is what it looks like on the inside. The first shade that I went in with is E3, and I picked up a big fluffy blending brush and I just put that shade in my crease, just going in back and forth motions as my transition shade. And this is just going to warm up the crease before I go in with deeper eyeshadows. Next, I went in with a purple shade and a pink shade, so I mixed the shades B4 and B3, and I picked that up with a defined angled brush, and I started to map out where I want to add definition in my crease, winging it out in the outer corner. And then I went back into that first transition shade that I went in with, and I picked it up with the same brush that I used to apply my transition shade, and I just went in circular motions and back and forth motions just to really blend out that line, because even though we want to add depth, we still want it to be nice and blended. Next, I went in with the shade E2, which is a deeper matte brown shade, and I picked it up with a defined angled brush once again, and I really like using really nice small detailed brushes because they just help with the most precise application. And then I went back into E3, which is the first eyeshadow that we went in with, and I started to blend that line out once again. And I really like to build up my shadows like this by going in, blending it out, going in, blending it out, and I go in a few times just to add even more depth, but yeah. And then I went in with my Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer, and I just cleaned up the inner portion of my eyelid just to clean up the look and make it a little bit more sharp. And then going in with that first transition shade, I started to buff out my outer lid area just to make it nice and blended and to give it a little bit more dimension. And then I went in with my BH Cosmetics Glitter Liner in Synergy and my Huda Beauty Melted Eyeshadow in the shade Bubblegum. And I applied that Bubblegum by Huda Beauty to my lid. And it does dry very quickly, so you have to work pretty fast with this product. And then I grabbed that glitter liner from BH Cosmetics and I just applied that to my crease. And for lashes, I went in with our Sophie Bella lashes in the style Bahama. This is actually one of my favorite styles and it's currently in stock, so definitely check it out. I'll leave a link in the description box down below, but you might want to be fast because they are selling out pretty fast and we don't really know when the next time we're going to restock. And then I went on to my lower lash line and I mixed the shades B3 and B4, and I just applied that to the outer portion of my lower lash line. And then I went back into that first transition shade just to blend it out. And the last thing that I did was I applied some lower lash mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!